Hey, Greg guys back here. So what do we got now? We have Dusty. The rhinoplasty is well and truly into the zone. So what do you have to do to remove a nose? Well, this is the express, it's sort of the best way. You've got to, it's sort of the cheater's way, but yeah, so all the factory spot welds you've got to drill out, including these ones through here, which are a pain in the butt. So you got to sort of drill through that. The new panel goes underneath, and you just, you just weld onto where it was. Now it's also spot welded all along the bottom, but to get this part off, there's another lip there. So what we've done now, just to remove the bulk of the front, is just cut it all the way along, and then cut it along here. Better keep it the same way. Cut it along there and there. Yeah, you can see this little bit here that was patched with a bit of the plumber's waterproofing stuff. So and it's just been trimmed along the outer edge there, so that sort of lets that pop off there. But this back edge, the back lip here, oh, you can see it here, it'll just pull off, so because the new skin wraps around the back. So Andrew will demonstrate what happens when you've done all that. Now you can just pull it off. I think the owner wants to have it hanging up in the garage. Front nose is off. So yes, you can see where it's all been smashed in there. It looks like they even used a bit of heat in the past to try and pull some of that out. Oh, that is, look at it there. You can tell that was all smashed in. There's all fiberglass and crap there. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't look too great. We can get some better soundproofing than that there. So that's what the inner framework looks like. That's the back of your sort of vent box. So what we like to do is, ooh dear, give me a tool. What do we got in here? Is it going to be holy like Jesus? Doesn't look too bad. We could be in luck. It's not holy right through, but it's got to be all that stuff. You want to have it absolutely clean, like vacuum all the crap out, scrape off anything that's loose, like you run a flap wheel on that over this edge here, get it all nice and smooth, and then get a coat of epoxy on the whole thing. And it doesn't matter if you brush it or roll it or spray it, whatever you want to do, doesn't matter. Get all that protected. So we use PR250, which is one of the best epoxies on the market for anti-corrosion. Oh, hang on. I've got to see what's under here. Hang on, don't get carried away. He says. Because I thought I spotted something here. Okay. A little bit of there. Alright, so stuff like that, you definitely want to have it all patched up. So yeah, that's the plan. So now, as you can tell, Andrew's just going through and taking all those welds out. And that air chisel's a great investment for under $100. You just, excellent. So that's the mini vid for today. Getting right into it. So now this can become the owner's. He can hang it up on his lounge room, perhaps. Although, if it was me, I don't know. I don't know whether my wife would agree, but wouldn't it look nice just like above the bed, like in your bedroom? Oh, like I'd probably like bog that up and paint it blue so it looks nice, because you can't have like rust as a piece of artwork in your bedroom above the bed. But okay, so that's where we're up to. Talk to you later.